Is this the biggest trending haircut in 2021? I don't know. You tell me. So if you go on TikTok, right, and you see a lot of these guys, a lot of them have grown their hair out to the point where it's long throughout the back, it's long throughout the sides, it's long throughout the top. Now, why would this be a very trendy or popular hairstyle? I know a lot of you, and I've called this even the dead animal haircut, the mop top, and in some situations, and on some people, it looks absolutely hideous. Yes, I'll admit that, okay? But there are a lot of people who like seeing the length in their hair. They like to see, you know, the hair be able to flip around and move around. They want all this grown out type of texture, grown out look on their hair. It's personal preference, right? And obviously it's a popular hairstyle. But what I have noticed and what I can say about this type of haircut, believe it or not, is even though it may look like a complete mess or, you know, a mop top haircut, you can actually do a few things to it to clean it up and make it look not so out of control. For example, instead of having the hair all in your face, okay, like this, you can slick the hair all back and bring it off your face. And what that does is it softens up the style. I'm not going to put any product in it right now because I want to be able to run my fingers through it and show you guys. But by slicking this all back and working this back, you're actually creating a whole new look. And you can see even while I'm running my fingers through the hair, right, it's changing up the shape, the face shape, everything. It's changing it up completely. And it's a bit more tame and it doesn't look so out of control. So you have a few different styling options. The next thing is, you know, if you want to do kind of like a side parting, you can do a side part and have the hair a bit over more this way. So it's a little more kind of a sophisticated, I don't know, sophisticated look, even though it's a bit on the longer side. You know, you could tuck the hair back this way. So now we have a whole other look. And then if you just do want to go with the whole kind of messy in your face look, there you go, you can have it. Now, why would somebody want something like this? Well, if the hair gets too long, you see a lot of guys brushing the hair back like this, or they want some of that texture throughout the front here. The longer the hair, believe it or not, it sometimes works with you, but it may also work against you. But you notice the biggest thing of this are the little flips, right, that we have going on through here. Everybody wants these flips. They want the hair to come down, they want the hair to flip up, or they want these wings going out this way, as you can see, right? And that's all achieved basically by not only using, you know, I would suggest obviously my TikToker hairstyle kit, which, you know, many of you have purchased and know and love, but also it comes down to the haircut, making sure you've got layers, okay? The layers are right in through here. And look what I did. Just by doing that, we're getting that lift, that texture, that support, but this is all layered in through here, okay, which means that the movement is allowing the hair to style differently. If there weren't any layers in it, it would just fall flat like this, right? It would just fall flat down. But the fact that this part into here is all layered, you know, and if I were to go in and use product and, you know, do like I've done in my other videos, you can see that the hair is going to stay where it wants. So that's why I'm suggesting that, you know, if you are willing to grow your hair out, if you are okay, you know, if your hair's in an awkward stage, maybe just get it shaped up, you know, and what do you say to your barber, your stylist? Just show them photos, use the Rock Paper app, that the link to where you can download it is in the description. It's like your virtual assistant for haircuts. You can save photos to it, you can make notes, you can have your professional stylist or barber scan it and they can read it, so you're making it very clear. But just find styles and looks that you want and then show it to that professional, and they should hopefully be able to cut it. I mean, I must get dozens of questions every day. What do I say to my barber? What do I ask? I have no idea. Just show them a photo, and if they can't duplicate it, then go to somebody else. I'll be honest with you. It's like, I don't know what to tell you, but, you know, show them what you want. And that's pretty much it. So this is probably one of the biggest trending haircuts that I've seen of 2021. There's obviously variations of it where this is a lot shorter and through here. I've done a lot of these on my channel already, but let me know in the comments below if you have this. Are you trying to get this? Are you wearing it currently? I'd love to know. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon.